Where we're gonna go? We're gonna go casino.
We're going to the casino.
Welcome back to the vlog after about 3 years. Vlog's best slash video.
It hasn't
Like 3 weeks.
We have mayor.
It's been at least 4
We
weeks.
had cow.
September 10th was the last video.
Okay.
Well,
Anyway, we're down in
Cherokee.
North
And
Carolina.
me and Tegan have never been to the casino like whenever it's fully open. And it's actually open now, like the bowling.
Yeah,
And
this is their third attempt with them trying to go, so
Yeah, we
looks like
came
everything
in May, but it was closed down totally. So
yeah. So hopefully this time we do what we've been trying to do: arcade and bowl.
yeah.
Eat, chill, listen to music, get our ears blasted out.
the music.
Excited.
If we had kitten and that.
We have what in the back?
A kitten.
A kitchen.
Yeah, that.
We got a kitten in the back.
It's a very
Kitchen,
small
back.
kitchen. You
Yeah,
know, it has
back
a mini
here, back
refrigerator, microwave, and no dishes.
can.
We're chilling in our little room. It's different from the other ones.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take a shower. I guess we're gonna make our way to the casino. Hopefully everything's open. So these kids can finally get to experience it halfway normal.
Yeah, we've never experienced whenever it was like open. Because first time was a snowstorm, and then it was because of COVID.
Yeah, so we need luck. Hopefully everything's good this time.
Turtles are editing before we even get going. We haven't ate yet.
I mean, just the more I do today, unless I got to do
It don't matter. Let's go.
tomorrow, Monday.
It don't matter. Let's go.
All right,
You ready?
let's ride the clock. All right, so we just went through, got our bands. We had to get our temperature checked.
Turtles was 104.
Sure was, so I got a band. Y'all got y'all's band? Yeah, so if you have a fever, they won't even let you in. You gotta have a band to get in. So we pop up at next.
We're doing the arcade.
Class in arcade.
Well, I got the very top. What's this random room we found?
We finally made it inside. Everything's looking good.
I'm freaking out of breath from this mask.
Yeah, I could barely talk.
Jesus.
We're in
This is
some
nice
kind
out
of
here though.
little, what is it called?
It just says outside patio.
Yeah, we're in a random patio.
It
Hopefully
looks like they
we
have
don't get kicked out.
performances out here. You see it? Well, not right now, but before we just gone. Look at these. So they told us our wait was about an hour. What did we wait, about 20, 25 minutes?
10
It
minutes.
was way faster, yeah. So we're just looking at menus. They have it blocked
What do you
off
think about
because of
the food?
coronavirus.
I don't see the nachos.
These
Hold it, hold
nachos
it.
are on point.
Oh, these are great, aren't they?
Yeah?
Why my tail?
So you can try it. The pizza has made it. You gonna tear it up?
Look at his
Yeah,
knife.
and
Look.
guess what?
piece?
Look at his knife.
Only if you give me about your hot dog.
I got hot dogs, I got pizza. What'd you get, Tiffany?
Well, like last time, it's good.
Tiffany got a club. Most boring thing you could get.
My pepperoni.
Hot, isn't it?
You gonna take a bite? Let me see.
It's steaming hot.
In case you was ever wondering what heaven was like. Here it is. Yeah, Tiffany, what you got over there?
Turkey club and fries and my side of ranch.
What heaven looks like.
Pretty much.
Oh, yeah.
I just got a hand stuck in between my teeth.
Let's go.
Go ahead, get by your hot dog.
got too much food. I don't know what to choose from.
I know, there's so many options.
This is the most food I've seen in one time in a minute. It's great.
What?
It's great.
Yeah.
I'll give this place 2 thumbs up. Tegan's over here choking on cheese. Tell me about Tegan choking on cheese.
Yeah, Tegan literally started like gagging.
You're just gagging.
And then he's like, he looks like a squirrel. A squirrel. And everything. Yeah, there's like so cool cheese.
Are you gonna take your shit? Why are you taking your shit?
Bowling shoes on. See what y'all got.
Bowling shoes are so.
I haven't barely been over, I'm so full.
Bowling shoes look like. You know, I got the 12s.
I can get your shoes on.
They gave me 2 left. Look.
Two left shoes. You got done by the clown right now.
No, they had to get me right real quick.
You're like, no.
They had to get me right real quick.
Oh my god, this is crazy. I didn't realize there was so many like options.
They really had to make us this complex.
Daddy's turn first. Okay, so what you got? Get that form down. He got a gutter ball the first time, didn't he? Is it ready? Go ahead.
Go ahead, try. Let's see what you got. Tiffany's talking crap. Let's see what she got.
Wait. What's the
Okay.
front color?
It's ready? Got her. Just like I did.
That was so close.
Tegan, you getting ready? Roll, Tegan.
The gutter ball. That gutter hard. Hard. One. I'm so close.
I told him whenever I warm up, it's over.
Well, I got an hour, so if you get warmed up by then.
We're in trouble now. Tegan got him on the device. Go ahead, Tegan.
Push it.
Push it. Tegan got a strike.
You got a freaking strike.
Pretty sure Tegan's winning. Pretty sure Tegan is winning right now.
Oh my god, he got 30. Watch it. Oh my gosh, off the strike. You'd have been lucky if you had got that again.
Huh? Yeah, who got your points? Gotta make a little story. Oh no, Tegan got a gutter ball. Tegan. What happened? Tegan, you got the first gutter ball? I'm doing terrible. I think I'll stick to editing videos. Bowling was a success. We stayed until it closed. Who won the second game?
Okay.
I'm so out of breath. You did.
Yeah, I did, and Tegan won the first, I'm pretty sure.
Tegan, you won the first game?
Tegan had some assistance.
Yeah, he
Tegan?
had a dive.
You won the first game of bowling?
You in the first game?
Yeah.
We stayed all the way till it closed.
Don't forget.
Now we're
They had to
creeping,
literally turn the lights on us.
yeah, now we're creeping back out.
Yeah.
And we're going back
You're already right there.
in a maze to the car. made it back out here to our little sanctuary. It was mud last time. It was definitely fall time. It feels like winter's getting close. Look, Charlie. Somebody was so rude. I wrote their name in the concrete before it dried. Did you do that?
Wow. How many?
Is it temperature?
Daddy, your breath.
I know.
Oh,
Your breath.
I want to take a
I
video.
gotta watch. Go.
I want to take a video.
It's not because it's cold, it's because your breath is toxic.
Y'all, I'm vaping.
Whoa.
I feel good. Oh.
Okay. Let's go back to the room.
We came, we saw, it's cold, we're out of here. Bye, Trevor. Peace out.
Bye.
Peace out. Tegan, don't leave me. Tegan.
Let's play this thing.
Oh, Tegan's fast.
Why not?
$2 million house.
Yep. Let me give me a little
You really would?
cornhole in. There's only beads falling out of this. All right, Charlie, you ready?
Watch out, Tegan, you're gonna get hit.
Dude, it's just like 30 yards away.
I know she had one.
Charlie, you're more likely to hit Tegan than you are to make it in here. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Come on, keep going.
Look. I got it. I got
Go
it.
over between your
God, you
legs.
went just tossed it in the hole. Look.
Is that how you play, Tegan?
Yeah.
So what did y'all think about the casino this time, now that we actually got to go to the arcade and bowl like we came to do?
It was really fun. It's a whole different setup and sound box than
Yeah.
it was before.
This time
We had success this time.
This time we actually got a bowl. Y'all like you know, have the opportunity to go to the casino and try sound bites. Then I definitely think that you should like even if that's the only thing that you do there is eat.
Even
Yeah,
if you didn't
the
have
food's
kids with
worth
you,
it.
like it's still a fun place to go, even just for like adults.
It's like
It's not just the restaurant, it's at the casino. It's a really good restaurant in general. So.
Yeah.
even their nachos, everything's good.
We got full off of nachos
Everything's
and
good.
pizza like quick.
Yeah.
I have literally a whole meal in my box.
Ball was fun.
We can't really review the casino because we didn't get to go there, but
Yeah, from the looks of the casino, it's totally back to normal.
just everybody has to wear masks now.
UltraStar what?
UltraStar Multi-tainment
UltraStar
Center.
looks pretty normal.
Yeah, but you have to wear masks. Like everybody has masks on all over, so you still gotta do that. Temperature checks, and you get a wristband, and then you get to go in.
Here's the wristband. They're so hard to get off. Like I literally can't get it off.
His
No
off
favorite
right off his
game.
wrist.
Yeah, it's because his hand's so small.
Mine's still on too.
The screening dude came to Tegan's window.
Oh.
He said, "That's my sissy."
I know.
Pointed over to
That's
Charlie.
what he said.
Oh.
That's how he was greeted.
My it off.
You took yours off in the car.
Where's that? Tegan, come show the camera.
It's a break.
Look, he said.
Daddy won't have to be worrying about being loud because we have our own cabin.
Okay.
Woo!
Bye.
You like what, Tegan?
Bye is that
You
food.
like bowling? You like the casino?
Bowling wasn't
Tell the
my
camera
favorite
Tell the
part.
camera what you ate.
I ate a pizza.
Pizza. What else?
Nacho.
Nachos. What'd you
Nachos.
drink?
Those nachos were delicious.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
My little light's hitting a little hard right now.
Wait, what percent is it on?
Like crazy.
All the way down.
You're blinding me. Every time I blink, I see it now.
It's down as low as I could go. Just like your mom when she's in the club dancing. That's cute. Look at her face. What?
Look at her makeup.
I just took it off.
Came to the overlook. I know I'm looking crazy right now.
No, I was even crazier. No. Okay, I'm better now.
Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe,
Share and peace.
and catch you next time.
I like bacon burger.
You look like Chucky sitting there.
See, I like bacon burger.
Hey, it's your birthday weekend. Hey, go Tegan. Hey, it's your birthday weekend. Hey. Whoa, it's bright.
Y'all out here doing?
I'm brushing my hair. I'm brushing my hair.
Why right now? I have a question.
I want my hair.
What?
Whenever
I don't have an
you,
answer.
after you wash your face, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about like in general. So after you wash your face, is it more visible to like see all your pores?